come across a strange phenomenon, aliendom. My associate here will show us what's inside by dissecting it with his foot. It's pure cocaine. Just shows you right there that aliens smoke pot. It's a good thing this is a public service video.
Now we know the habits of drug-using aliens. Be warned.
Beware.
Do not allow your kids in or around other aliens.
They could be the death of ya. Well, we're coming upon a sign.
It says
Trail.
Liart.
Yeah, if you're dyslexic. It says trail or trailhead. Now they're assuming trails actually have heads, which I don't think they do.
I find it rather racist because the trail heads and the trails are both different species.
Trailhead. The last thing I see is Mount Fuji. Liar. You should be ashamed. And that shows you Santa's in these parts. Santa's on his reindeer, looking for all good girls and boys.
Reindeer whose horns have fallen off.
Santa was hungry.
It looks rather like a horse.
So if you come across the Bic Man, beware. He might run your ass over. Look, now he's the headless horseman. When the spooks have a midnight jamboree.
Let's take one look and go. Pooh on the headless horseman.
More cotton. Pick enough of those, you can have a silk bedpan. Hank Hill! Well, Bobby, you're about as dumb as a box of rocks. You cannot be from my loins. That is impossible. Watch out for that rock, Bobby. Oh!
No pity boy, not no.
Oh, it's the, it's a hummingbird.
Wolf's urine.
It's a hummingbird. Can you see it? There he is. He's trying to suck the nectar off that plant.
It looks similar to a cicada.
Deadly poisonous.
It's a wolf's urine. The wolf's urine. Ah!
This plant's doing well.
I'm bleeding.
Bobby,
Stabbed.
you're about as dumb as Ladybird's butt.
Ladybird's butthole. Could meet you in an IQ test.
Well, it's a good thing that people care about Southern Nevada. They put litter in this place, which is very important, like people do in Arlen, Texas.
And King of the Hill does not sound anything like Bing Crosby.
Ba 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 ba. Well, now, that's like a nice cold glass of Minute Maid orange juice to fill your day. And Hank Hill does not sound like Bing Crosby. What do you got to say for yourself, Con?
Stupid redneck. No, he's Laotian. Con, my bags.
what I can't stand is people that just defecate on the ground. That is just disgusting and pure evil. This has got to stop. Public defecation is ruining the earth. It's causing global warming.
As seen on the movie Borat.
It's just disgusting, rude, and just downright awful.
Now that might be a piece of wood, but that's
Taste it.
beside the point.
Taste it, taste it. Looks like poo.
Feels like.
Smells like poo.
Must be urine.
If I'm a nation... Oh, that doesn't even make sense.
If I'm a member of a nation.
No, if I'm a country, you're a nation. Ha! That's ridiculous.
After 2 days in the desert sun, my skin began to turn red. After 3 days